welcome to the Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Here I'm going to talk about an article I dropped in the Observer titled Dirty Soldiers. Mentioning say, be a JDF soldier. I find themselves in custody. Them should have helped put man in custody, but them end up in custody. Charges range from being gang members to even chopping the line. Of course, you should know by now, members of the JDF being mixed up in the madness is nothing new, but the frequency I get out of hand. They must say me telling them say, even Papa and them youth there, Spanish Town, bedbugs link them, Bucktown, them place there, Papa them, JDF. I say black man, the black dog, I say, when I film closest 87 them, with them foot, was JDF. One other, Rado, JDF. Yeah. So I'm not new, but the frequency I get out of hand and the type of crimes them I commit, and even where them I commit them, I get crazy now. I'm telling about the blue bandits, I guess we can call them camel bandits. It's gotten much worse now with the modern JDF. Camel bandits them on the loose. So they say thing water down long time. One time if you hear a youth even, I mean I talk about a JDF soldier, if you hear a private and I go on certain things. One time you could have stamped it out before it even reach up the chain of command. Yeah, man. Him NCO them, pull him one side and let's just say get him head straight. But you can't really go on certain things again. So at different times you deal with things modern right now, things woke right now. You must say them new youth in JDF, if you shout off of them too loud, them call unicorns to justice and then tell their mother and then their mother go call TBG and then a be a scandal. Shout off of them might hurt them feelings. It's a different type of soldier we are dealing with. Might hurt his achy breaky heart because you shout off. I'm not used to that. Used to being on their mother frack deal 24/7. Not used to hearing a man's voice. Man raising voice off of him one time because his slappiness I put other people's lives at risk. And him get emotional. You see him going on TVJ. A smile Jamaica, tears in them eyes, the mother at the side of him. Things spooky. Has to be studied. One of the big reasons why you see more and more of this, the members of the JDF, has to do with recruiting. Yes. Recruiting. This is my observation. As somebody will deal with the older type of JDF soldiers, and somebody will have enough experience with the newer type of JDF soldiers. This is what I realized. One time when man joined JDF, it was the proudest moment of their life. Being a soldier in Jamaica was one of the most chest bulging thing used to aspire to. You used to in a school and where you want to be when you grow up? Soldier. That used to be a thing. It's a big thing. In my opinion, you must be a dinosaur, but in my days, people were definitely more passionate about the JDF and serving Jamaica. People were more passionate about it. Man take it serious. Now, enough youths just join JDF for further whatever goal them have. Some of them want to be TikTok stars. And them know said being a soldier having uniform and can pose up with rifle is an easy way to get treated. Might sound crazy, but I really think man I join JDF for further than TikToker. He wants to be a TikToker, but he need content. You can't make this up. Harris Saxons are joining JDF right now for content. Them TikTok page mad. If you ask them about the country and crime and them thing there, they're very nonchalant. Matter of fact, let me tell you, so they're not like inform. Remember me did a video that I tell you, say, man I link me and say, boy, look at YouTuber different times now, like one time, things different now, cause me don't hear young soldier talk to them, not like they look at YouTuber cause they're informer and you call bad man name. All soldier finna like informer. Imagine that. Quote unquote soldier saying like blogger boy, cause him a call bad man name. I'm left the Dan alone. Soldier. So you're surprised that JDF man know a full up jail cell? In an effort to add numbers, they massively prioritize quantity over quality. There was a time even if a youth was physically fit, he was physically able to join the JDF, man say, you know what, you're just not cut out for this. Because there's more to it than the physical side. That's what people know. The physical side of it is only one part of being a soldier. You have to have the mental side of it. Certain things have embedded in you. Enough youth can run all day and the push-ups all day. Enough youth can bust gun, you know. But now the mental side. For the least little thing one time, they used to tell man, so you can't join the army. The least little thing. Right now, if sci-fi turn up a park camp, then give him a uniform. In an effort to boost numbers as fast as possible, it look like them to take anybody. And if JDF guy want disagree with that, all you have to do is judge the outcomes. Look at you now. But the warning about this. Look at you now in the news every day, every week. JDF this, JDF that. One time people think about criminals in uniform, then think about police. Of course, there were always members of JDF were shaky. But we are talking about the frequency, we are talking about the quantity now to get normal. One time in time to them survey, the most trustworthy this and trustworthy that police are coming in low percent, politicians get low percent, JDF I get way high. Jamaican people used to have so much confidence in the army. So much confidence in the soldier. If you still want a soldier, you can't put your pot on fire. Say me go time wait for help you. If people still want a soldier come then start smile. Them say the day has been saved. Right now people nervous because they don't know if a killy come. They don't know if a killy in a uniform. They might tell us nothing wrong with the recruiting process. They might tell us, oh, they wouldn't do that YouTuber because we're experts and guys judge the outcome. Me never say this. Me never see so much JDF members involved in so much madness. Even I'm not even talking about some things where hiding and say, boy, when you case me talk about bare face, dry eyes, scamming and thieving. It has to be studied. Has to be studied. When you see somebody post them on TikTok where soldiers put up, I'm telling you already said they're now indistinguishable from the 87 on the corner. They're just 87s in uniform. See, what them do, in an effort for us boost numbers by any means, they've now take a bunch of youths with very acidic mindset and give them military training. And now them have the acidity plus military training, and now you get some highly acidic trained criminals. A long time when I come to JDF, some little style them bring from the community they come from, you know. But watch a guy over here, so bam. Don't worry yourself, we are going to stamp it out and sweat it out. By the time you graduate and get a uniform, don't worry yourself. We'll bring you back to square one. Don't worry yourself. That little style the way you have it now go working at JDF. That little attitude the way you have it now go working at the army. That little style the way you have it now go working at the army. So here what? We're going to sweat it out of you. We're going to PT it out of you. I said it, some little style. But it's like no, nobody know even the people them, because you still have some old dog about the place, but the man them don't want to lose their job because if you talk to a youth too hard, you go on a TVJ the mother. Remember one time to the video? But JDF soldier ball say he must be patrol in the sun. It has to be studied. Send up on checkpoint and sun hot. I wish an Irish Saxon would tell me that. Can you imagine I tell a certain man one time about Sarge, the sun had burned me. Man I say man that tent for operation and the tent hot. And in the AC in the tent, or him for working in these conditions. You can't make this up, people. Man that tent. Man send up operation in a tent, that ball say he need AC. I've all kerosene under him tent. I discuss me kerosene here radio caller come down and did I listen everything. Gone back and tell Richie Blacks. It has to be studied. So when you see the frequency of JDF soldiers, I get catch scamming, I get catch and rob people, I get catch all kind of madness. Understand say I saw them join the JDF and them never stamp it out of them. Come as you are. and you will leave as you came. Come as you are and leave, and you will leave as you came. That's JDF right now. Most armies all over the world, when they recruit young men, because you must say army is mostly a young man thing, you know. Most armies in the world, anywhere in the world, never gonna see an army. Recruiting, day one of recruitment. You get all kind of young youth come in. But by the time they graduate, most of them youth there have a different attitude and different mindset. Because that's a big part of recruitment, weeding out certain people. You might can pass the push-up test and the fitness test and you can pull up and you can jump over this, but your attitude and mindset not gonna work, yes, so. But right now, JDF depends on come as you are and you will leave as you came. And then you're gonna tell me about rely upon government for protection? No, guy. Not me. You can't do that. Them boy they will me say, them quote unquote soldier they will me see on TikTok. A muggling thing them giant JDF man. Pose up and hopefully catch one little one kerosene. Because kerosene them are catching her. To show you how it's spooky right now. Right now a soldier girl is the same type of girl they with a 87. The same type of young girl that run down a 87 are the same type of girl where the young soldier can catch you know. That's why them run a Denantown a war over kerosene. Soldier and gunman run a Denantown, run a West Kingston, a beef. Not because one a soldier and one a thief, you know. But because them are beef over kerosene. Because it's a come as you are and leave as you came. Except they're even more dangerous now because in the civic before, you might lack a one gun before upon the corner, but now, you have military training on top of it. And they must share that military training back with Clansman and One Hard and Stone Crusher and Janko Nation. So I'm not surprised when time see them you get catch by my chop line. Man are run him own gun running operation. Man are run him own illegal gun running operation. Them say certain things was too rough and too harsh and a modern times now. Alright. Good luck with that. I'm just a dinosaur, so I don't know as much as the experts them. I have to work with them say. But judge the outcomes. If it's just tell me if I'm lying. Tell me in the comment section if I'm lying. From you know yourself, the one thing Jamaican people used to have a certain amount of ratings for was JDF. The one thing. JCF did always have this heavy cloud over them from morning, from a born upon this world. The cure far back you want go. From police or fire some little beanie 38. Then they always have this heavy cloud over them. Them image did always shaky. But the JDF had a certain amount of prestige attached to it. That gone now. Watered down to nothing. Should I never give you Irish socks and TikTok? Should I never given the internet? I still won't take it to the. Has to be studied. But as I say, take say again and start still because I'm no expert and the expert them say I saw it to go. So I first work with the expert. You see what I say? Alright. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.